Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G42, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 applications for this smartphone. So the first app is called WTMP, which stands short for Who Touched My Phone. What this app is capable of is that once you activate it, it imperceptibly takes the pictures or photos from the selfie camera of your mobile device each time the screen gets unlocked, or even if there is the unsuccessful unlocked attempt as well. So let's go ahead and test this application out. So I'll simply launch it, turn on this button, and once it gets green, that means that the app is active. So let's simulate the fact of the screen not being unlocked, as well as the successful unlocked attempt. And as you can see, when we launch the app, we'll see the 2 newly created entries, one of them being device not unlocked and the other one stating the fact and having the picture of the mentioned fact of the successful unlock attempt. So once we open it, it will contain the respective picture or photo, just like so. So if you would like to know for sure whether somebody or someone tried to get an unauthorized access to your device, I highly recommend that you try checking this app out. Alrighty, so the next app is called PixArt, a very well-known app for editing and retouching both photos and videos. So let's go ahead and open this app as well, skip a bunch of ads, grant it the gallery permission, the media permission, and I'll choose the screenshot that I've just taken, for example. And as you can see, once at the editing page, here at the bottom part of your screen, of your display, there are quite a few, to be very modest, quite a few category of tools that you can use. For example, this many features you can get from only expanding the tools category. You can also apply some effects, for example, place some sticker, and many more. So we highly recommend that you get the PixArt application yourself and try all the features this application has to offer. So the next app, the third and the final for this video, is called Caffeine. So basically it solves the issue of you not being able to set up the screen timeout values higher or over 30 minutes, because if we'll expand, once we expand the default values that we can go for in the screen timeout, we can clearly see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. So in the Caffeine you can set values like an hour or even infinite, which means that as long or never, actually infinite equals to never. So that essentially means that as long as the Caffeine app will be active and you will not close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. So it can be even for a few hours, or actually whatever much time, until it has sufficient battery to stay powered. It will not lock the screen, will not turn it off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.